In this video, I'm going to restore a vintage Fendi weekend bag. For this project, you're going to need water, a paint dish, paper towel, brushes, and paint. Before painting on the bag, I tested the different paint colors by mixing them and adding water. Here's what the bag looked like pre-restoration. I bought it secondhand off eBay. Before starting, I made sure that the bag was filled so that it would hold its structure while painting it. The material of the bag seems like a thin leather and feels like canvas to the touch. I started by painting a little corner to test the colors. Once I was happy, I continued painting the rest of the bag. I didn't use any tape because I found that it ripped the paint when I took it off. After doing one solid coat on the bag, I went over it again with a second layer. I found that rather than just painting where the color had vanished, to paint the whole bag created a more even consistency. This step is optional, but when I finished all my painting, I decided to spray an oil to create an even varnish on the bag. As you can see, the oiled side has a more even finish. And you're all done! Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe.